Nothing like old school. The Clear Free Premium Undergravel filter is air-driven and utilizes an air pump, not included, to cycle crystal clear water throughout your aquarium, while keeping a crisp and neat look inside. This means there's less moving parts, making for simplistic and easy maintenance. This filter is suitable for most 10-gallon aquariums. Biological, chemical, and physical filtration. As air is pushed through the air stones and rises through the lift tubes, water is gently suctioned through gravel and the filter plates, allowing both air and water to pass through the Filt-a-Carb Activated Carbon Cartridges. When water continues to be drawn through, anaerobic bacteria collects and colonizes within the gravel and filter plates. Also aerates your tank. Since the Clear Free Premium Undergravel filter is air-driven through the use of air stones and an air pump, not included, it also aerates your tank. In essence, your aquarium is being filtered and aerated at the same time, though the same system. It's a filter and bubbler in one. Items included. The Clear Free Premium Undergravel filter includes 2 filter plates, 2 adjustable lift tubes, 2 straight airline tubes, 3 filter plate connectors, and 2 replaceable Filt-a-Carb Activated Carbon Media Cartridges. Top reviews from the United States. Cheapest, best fish tank system on the market and the most natural too. So easy to use. I use this with Small River Rocks, the hardware store bag. Rinse the stones well before use and put it on top of the grate. The tank is pH stable, has minerals from the rocks, no sharp edges to damage fish, and is so low maintenance. The cost of upkeep is minimal. Cheapest, best fish tank system on the market and the most natural too. I have used this for years and can't be happier. The weekly water change and carbon filter exchange is a snap and do much less work than is needed for other systems. Just a bit of advice on the carbon filter: buy the loose carbon and refill your own filter, even cheaper and easier.